Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Narcissus, a beautiful and fragrant flower that adds a touch of elegance to any garden. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of planting Narcissus bulbs, ensuring a stunning display of blossoms for your outdoor space. Before we begin, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of Narcissus. These delightful flowers are known for their vibrant colors and captivating fragrance, making them a favorite among gardeners. With their trumpet-shaped blooms and slender green stems, Narcissus can transform your garden into a fragrant oasis. The first step in planting Narcissus is selecting high-quality bulbs. Look for bulbs that are firm, free from mold or soft spots, and have a good weight to them. Choose varieties that suit your taste, as Narcissus comes in a variety of colors and sizes. Larger bulbs often produce more robust flowers, so keep that in mind when making your selection. Now, let's talk about soil preparation. Narcissus bulbs thrive in well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. Incorporate well-rotted manure into the soil to provide essential nutrients. This not only encourages healthy growth but also enhances the overall soil structure. Once the bulbs are planted, apply a layer of mulch to insulate the soil and regulate moisture levels. This helps protect the bulbs during colder months and promotes a flourishing display come spring. Narcissus are among the easiest bulbs to grow. By following these simple tips, you will get them off to a great start. Pick a sunny or lightly shaded area with freely draining soil. If you have a heavy soil, adding well-rotted manure or homemade compost helps to improve drainage. So dig in some rotted manure or compost, and you're ready to begin planting your bulbs. Now, let's put our knowledge into action. Dig holes to a depth of about 3 times the height of the bulb, spacing them a few inches apart. Place each bulb with the pointed end facing up and cover them with soil. As a general rule, space the bulbs 2 to 3 times the width of the bulb apart from each other. For large varieties, this will be a further spacing. For smaller bulbs, they can be closer. Most varieties will perform well with a spacing of around 10 centimeters between bulbs. After planting your Narcissus bulbs, don't forget the secret ingredients for a thriving floral display. Sprinkle a touch of well-rotted manure or nutrient-rich compost to nourish the roots and encourage robust growth. Top it off with a cozy layer of mulch, providing insulation and moisture regulation for your bulbs. It's the final touch that turns your garden into a haven of beauty and fragrance. After planting, give the soil a gentle watering to help it compact around the bulbs, bidding farewell to any pesky air pockets. And here's the secret: Narcissus prefers a bit of independence when it comes to watering. Only water during extended dry spells or if the soil starts to look a bit parched. It's the key to a low-maintenance, yet vibrant and thriving garden. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to planting Narcissus bulbs. With a little care and attention, you'll soon be rewarded with a breathtaking display of these charming flowers. Happy organic gardening!